Good morning. It's September 2nd, 2014. This is John from Betty Nick's Bait and Tackle, Seaside Park, New Jersey, and BettyNicks.com with your daily boating, fishing, weather conditions report. Absolutely gorgeous surf, clean, green, and mean. We got a couple of 2-3 footers here. Some nice white water here. A lot of people here. I'm surprised. Maybe people took off the whole week. Did a little bit different place today. I'm up at the border of, right by the boardwalk. This is the new lifeguard pavilion there. So that's it. A lot of blues, good fluke, clean, fishable. Nice day. Peace.